It's like a new attempt of maybe inclusive curating, as we call it.
So I interpreted this kind of this study as a factory, as a place where you can produce ideas for the city. You see it almost as a method, and a method that can lead, maybe even after Manifesta, to urbanism, to intervention, to a wider meaning.
Oh, and we have Olympique de Marseille in 2 versions, which is fine.
There is research by students and there is research by our office and by Manifesta. The workshop, as we have done now, is basically with universities here in Marseille and Delft University. It is trying to create ideas.
Specifically, I think there is a relevance for us to doing these kind of workshops today, because we knew there are some changes in the urban planning of Marseille. There were some deconstructions and traumas. And I think this kind of mealy day to develop intuitionally with both students from TUDelft and the students from Marseille is a brilliant move, because it also includes the next generation of possible people dealing with governance in Marseille and administration, to have a kind of a view on what the city is going to be. So we hope this is only not beneficial for Manifesta 13 in itself for 2020, but even in a post-Manifesta area for the years to come.
Marseille devient vraiment une référence pour des événements de grands enjeux. Et Manifesta est un événement ambitieux pour ce territoire, parce que c'est un territoire qui accueille énormément d'artistes, qui concentre beaucoup d'acteurs culturels très compétents et très talentueux. Et c'est pour eux, je pense, une occasion magnifique de se trouver mis en lumière et en résonance avec la création européenne, voire internationale du moment.
For me, the artists are the inventors and are the makers. They research, they look at situations and they intervene. And their intervention is therefore a critique or a possibility or an escape. And so I try to enlarge this culture of intervening. I try to explode that technique a little bit and to show it more clearly that any piece, any intervention has a meaning on that spot, but maybe in a wider sense, that it almost becomes urbanism.